Hello and welcome to another update video about DOT. So the Polkadot chart is moving up higher in line with the primary count. So the alternative, which already assumed that wave 5 of 1 was already in, can be taken out. That was only the alternative perspective anyway that we had on the chart in case we would break below the trend line. But it's currently just working on this wave 5 likely still. The idea is in this microstructure here that we are likely still working on wave 5 of 1. To understand where we're heading, you can take a look at this Fib ladder here. It gives you the next Fibonacci levels to watch. $5.25 and $5.55 are the next Fib levels. And also we should pay attention to, and I need to draw that a little bit more accurately now, this ascending wedge pattern or the upper boundary line potentially of this, and there will be different ways of how this can be drawn, I guess, but this is probably the best way. We've got 3 touch points there. Basically an ascending wedge pattern, which ideally breaks down afterwards, but first of all, we can still push a little higher to $5.25 next. That would be the next Fib ladder, but most importantly, with today's high, we have now really fulfilled all the expectations, also the expectations of the primary yellow wave count, which is great to see. And what this means is that on this chart, we basically have 5 waves complete, but it can still extend higher and it should do a little bit to $5.25. That would be ideal. And in this structure, we have a wave 1, a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and the wave 5 now unfolding. The wave 5 itself unfolds as a diagonal in which we have a wave 1 complete, a 2, then an ABC structure in wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5. That's sort of my latest perspective. And once this wave 5 is over, I'm going to put a wave 2 support area onto the chart, similar to this one, which really was only touched on the surface. At the time, I assumed this was already a wave 2, but I mentioned to you we didn't really have a very good microstructure available, okay? So it made sense to add a support at the 38.2 Fib level, just in case it's only a shallow correction. And it was only a shallow one. So we can now wait for all 5 waves to be completed, and then I will add a support area. Support area means it's just basically the area, a standard Fib zone, in case we are pulling back now in wave 2. I'm not going to put it on the chart really and leave it there. Just want to show it to you because it is a moving support area. So if we go a little higher to 525 or 555, I will have to adjust that support area with the price. And at the moment, support would be $3.84. Basically, $3.84 is the level below which we wouldn't have invalidation, but below that level, invalidation will get very, very likely. We also have $4.08, $4.26, and $4.44. That's the 38.2 retracement level. So yeah, basically now just waiting for the market to get a pullback and to ideally break that trend line then. But you know, until the trend line breaks, the focus can be on higher. And the key level we can use at the moment to focus on the upside is the last swing low at $4.73. So as long as that support stays intact, we should be able to push higher with 525 and 555 as the next key targets and next levels to watch. That's my update about DOT. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. Leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.